billing the client by the hour, or you would like to know what your team is spending time on, how long for which task, you can quickly check that from the time tracking feature here. At each and every task level, you have an option to track time, either by a timer, or you can say it took me 3 hours and 45 minutes, and you can mark it as billable, and you can add the note as well. So you can call it as a design task or an internal discussion or client call, etc. Or you could also track saying that I was working from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. I was working with the client over a call. So at a task level, you would know how long that this particular task took. But also overall you would see the time tracking feature here, so which would say you can group it by users. You can say Radha spent about 65 hours and Ramesh spent about 10 hours roughly, and you can see the total billable time versus the non-billable time and the total time. You can export it to the customer and give it as a PDF, CSV, or use it for your internal purposes. So the notes will clearly help you understand where the team is spending most of their time on, because for every non-billable hours, that's a revenue that's being lost.